The Supreme Court today refused to hear a lawyer's plea who wanted a relaxation of the dress code for lawyers during summer and instead asked the petitioner to approach the Bar Council of India. The petition said that the present dress code for lawyers, which consists of long black robes or coats or blazers with ceremonial gowns, is a colonial legacy unsuited to India's climate. The court, however, said the petitioner will be at liberty to approach the Supreme Court again if the Bar Council does not act. My colleague Sukirti has more on that.
Today, the Supreme Court heard a plea by an advocate called Shailendra Mani Tripathi, who had moved the Supreme Court saying that the dress code for lawyers, the black gowns, the black robes, they are not suited to the Indian climate, and especially during the summers, they should be done away with because they cause a lot of discomfort, especially for people in the northern as well as coastal parts of the country. This petitioner was represented by Supreme Court Bar Association President Mr. Vikas Singh, who is a senior advocate. He was making the arguments where he said that it is a part of a colonial legacy. All of these robes, they are a part of a colonial legacy. But if you look at the Indian climate in terms of those, it causes a lot of discomfort. Also, the petition mentioned that it also causes a financial burden to the lawyers because all of these robes have then need to be dry cleaned, they need to be washed. So all of it is very cumbersome for the lawyers, and that is why this entire dress code should be done away with, especially during the summers. The entire matter was being heard by a bench of Justices Indra Banerjee and V. Subramanian, and Justice Banerjee, who's been a part of the bench in the Calcutta as well as Madras High Court before, started recalling about the weather there, and she said that yes, I understand your problem, I sympathize with you. However, we will not be able to hear this here in the Supreme Court for now. We would urge you to approach the Bar Council of India with your request, but she has allowed that if the Bar Council of India does not entertain the request by this petitioner, then they can come back to the top court. So an interesting development there, the kind of uniforms, the kind of dress code we've always seen the lawyers in, seems like those who are in the profession itself have a problem and do not see it in line with the Indian climate. In New Delhi with camera person Gauri Prasad, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.